If you're over 55 and walking every day to stay fit, that's wonderful. But what if I told you that same daily walk might actually be shrinking your muscles, slowing your strength, and aging your body faster than you think? In this video, I'll reveal how one simple walking mistake can quietly weaken your body and how to fix it with just a few small tweaks. Welcome back to Silver Time Secrets, where we share simple, science based ways to stay strong, healthy, and full of life after 55. Now, let's be honest, walking is amazing. It's easy, free, and great for your heart, mood, and mobility. Most of us rely on it as our main exercise, and for good reason. But here's something few people talk about. If you walk the same way every single day without variation or challenge, your muscles can start to shrink rather than grow. Don't worry, you don't need to stop walking. You just need to walk smarter. Most of us love routine. We walk the same route at the same pace for the same distance every single day. It feels safe and comfortable, but that comfort can actually work against you. You see, your body is incredibly adaptive. Once your muscles get used to an activity, they stop improving. It's just like lifting the same light weight over and over. Eventually, your body says, I've got this, and stops getting stronger. That's the comfort trap. It feels healthy, but your body isn't really changing anymore. Over time, this routine can lead to slower metabolism, weaker muscles, and less balance, even though you're still exercising regularly. After age 50, our bodies naturally lose about 1% of muscle every year, a process called sarcopenia. It happens to everyone, but it speeds up when muscles aren't challenged. Walking the same easy route every day keeps your heart active, but it doesn't give your muscles enough resistance. Without that challenge, your body simply maintains, or worse, declines. That's why you might hear people say, I walk every morning, but I still feel weaker. It's not because walking is bad, it's because your muscles have stopped being surprised. They need variety, intensity, and small challenges to stay strong. Muscle loss isn't just about how you look, it's about how you live. When muscles weaken, simple things become harder, like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or even standing up from a chair. Your balance declines, your energy drops, and small trips can turn into serious falls. Research shows that older adults who walk but don't add resistance or variation are twice as likely to lose muscle mass or experience weakness compared to those who mix things up. So, yes, keep walking, but make it count. Your walk should challenge your body just enough to keep it growing, not shrinking. Let's talk about how to make your daily walk powerful again. Here's how to transform a simple stroll into a strength boosting anti aging routine. Every few minutes, increase your speed for 20 to 30 seconds. You don't have to sprint, just walk briskly enough to feel your heart rate rise. Then slow down, recover, and repeat. These bursts wake up fast twitch muscle fibers that help with strength and balance. Tackle small hills or stairs. Walking uphill works your thighs, hips, and glutes, the muscles that keep you steadied and help you move with confidence. Even a short incline or flight of stairs can make a huge difference. Engage your arms. Don't let them dangle. Swing them naturally, keeping your posture tall and your core tight. This improves circulation and tones your shoulders. Change your route once a week. New surfaces, like grass, gravel, or gentle slopes, activate different muscle groups and keep your body guessing. These small upgrades make walking stimulating again. You'll feel more energized, more balanced, and noticeably stronger in just a few weeks. After your walk, give your muscles a little extra love. A quick 5-minute routine can turn ordinary walking into a full body workout. Here's what to do right after your walk. Sit to stand, 10 reps. Sit on a sturdy chair, stand up without using your hands, and then slowly sit down again. This strengthens your thighs, glutes, and hips, key for staying mobile. Heel raises, 15 reps. Hold a chair for balance, lift your heels, and slowly lower them. This tones your calves and improves ankle stability. Wall push-ups, 10 reps. Stand arms length from a wall, lean in, and push away. great for the chest, shoulders, and upper arms, especially if you don't lift weights. Standing leg lifts, 10 each leg. Hold on to something steady and lift one leg sideways. It targets hip muscles that protect against falls. These moves keep your muscles active, improve balance, and support better walking posture. After movement comes recovery, and this step is just as important. When you finish your walk and post-workout exercises, your muscles are ready to rebuild. Help them out with a small protein snack like a boiled egg, a bowl of yogurt, or a handful of nuts. Stay hydrated, stretch gently, and give your body rest. Most people don't realize your muscles grow and strengthen after exercise, not during it. Without recovery, you're just breaking down tissue instead of building it back stronger. Walking isn't just a physical habit, it's a mental one too. Use your walking time to breathe deeply, notice your surroundings, and clear your mind. Gratitude, fresh air, and a calm mood reduce stress hormones like cortisol, which can otherwise speed up muscle loss and inflammation. So when you walk, don't just move your body, let it be your daily therapy too. Strong muscles and a peaceful mind work hand in hand to keep you youthful. So remember, walking is wonderful, but walking smart is life-changing. Challenge your muscles with short bursts, new routes, and simple strength moves. Add recovery and mindfulness, and your daily walk becomes a full body rejuvenation ritual. You don't need fancy gyms or equipment, just awareness and a little intention. If you found this video helpful, tap that like button and subscribe to Silver Time Secrets, where we share inspiring science-based tips to stay active, happy, and strong after 55. Tell me in the comments, how often do you walk and have you tried mixing up your routine? I'd love to hear from you.